Hey guys, what's up? It's Sunny and welcome to this brand new video. So today I'm going to make some candy corn chocolate crackles. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you will need today is 250 grams of kofa, 200 grams of cooking chocolate, 2 eggs, 2 deciliters of sugar, 3 tablespoons of coffee, and 100 grams of puffed rice. So the first thing you have to do today is to melt some kofa and chocolate together in a saucepan. And when you're finished melting that, it's time to cool it down. This takes quite a while. So you can start whisking the eggs and the sugar into soft peaks. And when you're finished doing that, you can put it in the fridge. And then when the kofa and the chocolate has reached room temperature, stir kocha, coffee and chocolate into the bowl. And when it looks smooth, you're finished for now. After you've waited for a while, you can mix in the puffed rice. Then just use a spoon and put them down on some baking paper, like I did here. But anyway, when you're finished, just cool them down in the fridge and they're ready to be served. Also, if you want them to have like a Halloween style, you can put candy corn on the top. It looks pretty damn amazing. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, I love you, peace, bye!